दारू नहीं रे बाबा, दवाई है।
Today I want to share with you 3 drinks that are no less than a medicine for 3 very common health problems. The first drink is for diabetes, the second drink is for uric acid, and the third drink is for thyroid. All 3 of these drinks are very easy to make, the taste is also fine, but most importantly, the result of these 3 drinks is very good. This I am not saying only based on bookish knowledge, but I have personally met people who have greatly benefited from these drinks. The thyroid drink is so effective that if you drink just this one drink continuously for 1-2 months, your thyroid reports will come normal. In this video, I will not only share how to make these drinks, but also will try to answer all your possible related questions. This video is going to be very simple but extremely useful. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. First is the anti-diabetic drink. Diabetes has become as common as cold and cough these days. Not just adults, even 20-year-old kids are getting diabetes. The reason isn't genes. The main reason is our messed up eating habits. Think for a moment, 10-15 years ago, how often we used to eat outside. Compare that with today. Why I am saying this? Because diabetes isn't any disease. It's basically a dietary disorder. It happens from regularly eating refined and processed foods. And if someone cuts out junk food and eats whole foods instead, this same diabetes gets not just controlled but completely cured within 3 months. I have personally seen so many people's diabetes getting completely cured just through food and lifestyle changes that I have no doubt that it is 100% reversible. In this video, we discussed in detail why diabetes happens and how to cure it at home without any medicine. But today I want to share with you a drink that will work like a medicine, a supplement for diabetes. To make this drink, you need one bitter gourd. We all have some idea that bitter gourd is an antidote for high sugar. Modern studies today are showing that bitter gourd contains certain compounds that improve pancreas functioning. As a result, insulin sensitivity improves. In case you didn't know, pancreas is that main organ whose malfunctioning causes diabetes. So bitter gourd doesn't just lower blood sugar but also addresses the root cause of diabetes. I agree Karela is anti-diabetic, but drinking its juice is very difficult. Yes, drinking just bitter gourd juice is difficult. But did you know that if you mix bottle gourd juice with bitter gourd juice, the overall bitterness gets neutralized to a great extent. Plus you get the additional benefits of bottle gourd as well. So first you need to take one bitter gourd. These days 2 types of bitter gourds are available in the market. Indian variety and Chinese variety. The Chinese variety looks smooth and neat, but try to get the Indian variety. They are more nutritious. The darker, green and fresher the bitter gourd, the more effective it will be for diabetes. Wash the bitter gourd well and cut it into pieces. Take some bottle gourd too. Whenever you buy bottle gourd, always cut a small piece and taste it to check if it's bitter. Because bitter bottle gourd is poisonous and should always be avoided. Since we are making juice with bitter gourd, if you don't check the bottle gourd before juicing, this can create some problem. Cut the bottle gourd into pieces and put it in the mixer along with bitter gourd pieces. Now add some ginger, roasted cumin, black salt and if available, mint leaves. Mint leaves are optional, but I would suggest you to use them because they mask the bitterness of the juice very well. Add a glass of water. These 4 ingredients we have added will not only make the juice palatable, but each of these spices has its own benefits in reducing blood sugar. Blend all these ingredients and then strain through a muslin cloth or normal strainer. If you have a juicer, then you won't even need to strain. Forget juicer, I don't even have mixie. How do I make this juice? In that case, grate the bitter gourd, bottle gourd, ginger and mint, mix with water and strain into a glass. Then finally add roasted cumin, black salt and lemon juice. Acha, while juicing the Karela, do we also have to add its seeds? Yes, you can add them. Bitter gourd seeds contain anti-diabetic compounds. Anyway, we'll strain them later. Finally, don't forget to add lemon juice. This further reduces the bitterness. Taste-wise, I would say the juice is okay. Even if you drink just 50 ml of this juice, it will do its magic. Slowly, you can increase the quantity to 100 or 200 ml. But drink consistently for 2 months. When you will see that because of this juice, your blood sugar has started moving towards normal, I think you won't have any problem drinking this juice. Adding bottle gourd to bitter gourd juice is a very intelligent addition. Not just for taste, but because bottle gourd is ranked quite high among blood sugar reducing vegetables. When CSIR researchers ranked common Indian vegetables for anti-diabetic properties, they found bottle gourd to be the best. This juice is so effective that if you test your blood sugar sugar before and after drinking it, you will see the difference. This juice is also good if you have too much body fat. So make full use of bottle guard and bitter guard season over these 2 months and drink this juice regularly. Acha, I've tried this juice. It tastes okay, but tell me what's the best time to drink it so that I get the maximum benefit. It would be best if you drink it 1 hour before breakfast in the morning. If you can't do that, you can also drink it in the evening around 4 to 5 pm. Just make sure there is a gap of 2 to 3 hours after a full meal. Like if you had lunch at around 1 to 2 pm, you can drink it 2-3 hours later at 4-5 pm. Don't drink this juice after sunset. The next is anti-uric acid drink. Uric acid is a natural waste product that everyone's body produces daily. But in normal circumstances, the kidneys easily filter out this uric acid, so there is no problem. But when too much uric acid starts being produced, the kidneys can't filter it out, and then uric acid crystals start accumulating in different parts of the body. If they accumulate in joints, you get joint pain. If they deposit in any other organ, they start damaging it. There are two main reasons why uric acid increases. First is that uric acid production is normal, but there is some kidney problem preventing it from being filtered out. Or second reason is that the kidneys are fine, but we are eating foods that produce too much uric acid. Regular intake of alcohol, high protein diets, and carbonated soft drinks. These three are major culprits behind excess uric acid. If your uric acid is high, as an experiment, remove alcohol, non-veg, and cold drinks from your diet for 15 days. Then get tested again. Even your doctor will be surprised to see your reports. Uric acid reduces as quickly as it increases if we pay a little attention to our diet. Let's talk about a simple drink that effectively reduces the excess uric acid in the body. This is the humble lemon honey water. Basically, squeeze a juice of 1 lemon in a glass, then add 1 teaspoon honey and mix well with water. Your anti-uric acid drink is ready. The taste is quite good actually, no problem there. This is simple lemon water. How will this help me reduce uric acid? Don't judge the effectiveness of this drink by how simple it is. Anyone who drinks it regularly for a month will be able to tell what magic it does to uric acid. The hero ingredient of this drink is lemon. That's because lemon is a very good and easily available source of vitamin C. Study after study has shown that if your diet has vitamin C, uric acid will reduce. There was even a long-term study done on 47,000 people whose conclusion was that if your diet has good quantity of vitamin C, your chances of getting gout reduce by 47%. Then it has honey. The combination of lemon and honey is detoxifying and blood purifying, which cleanses the blood of its excess uric acid content. There is so much adulteration in honey. Tell me which honey should I use? Honey in this drink has not been added just for taste, but has a specific function to perform which refined sugar can't do. So for best results, it's my advice that you use raw, unprocessed honey. Some companies sell NMR tested honey. Prefer that. For your convenience, I have handpicked some genuine honey options in the Indian market and have linked them in the description box of this video. Just in case you can't get your hands on genuine honey, you can drink normal lemon water without sweetener. When should we drink it? You can drink this any time of the day. In fact, you can drink it 2-3 times a day. Before discussing the next drink, I want to share with you Indus Valley's Brightening Pigmentation Gel. We had placed this product in the best category in our moisturizer video, but today this same product is featured in the sponsored section. But the product is same and still very genuine. If you have oily skin with dark spots, or your skin is getting dull and you're looking for a good moisturizer for your face, you should definitely try Indus Valley's Brightening Depigmentation Gel. Look at the ingredients. It has rose water, cow yogurt, grape seed extract, wheat germ, and tea tree oil, which helps reduce skin pigmentation. Best thing is that it doesn't contain any harsh chemicals. No mineral oil, EDTAs, artificial colors, or fragrance. Price wise, 50 grams of it will cost you 260 rupees. Indus Valley's face wash and face serum are also toxin free. To buy Indus Valley's Brightening Depigmentation Gel, face wash, and face serum, click the link in the description box. Don't forget to apply the special discount coupon to get 15% off. Coming back to our final drink, the anti-thyroid drink. In 2020, I had posted a video on permanently curing thyroid where I had shared 4-step routine taken from Ayurvedic scriptures. If you see the comments of that video, it's clearly visible that whosoever has followed that routine got their thyroid cured. method. All 4 steps have their own role, but personally I have seen so many people around me who have followed just one thing from that video, and after 2-3 months their doctor himself said their thyroid is now fine and they can stop medication, and that is coriander seed water. Seriously, its results are amazing. To make it, first take 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds and crush them using a mortar and pestle. Please don't use a grinder. Now mix these crushed coriander seeds in 1 glass of water, cover and keep them overnight. Next morning, boil this seed water until it reduces to half. Then strain and drink it lukewarm. It would be best if you drink this half an hour before breakfast in the morning. Taste is not a problem. Whether hyperthyroid or hypothyroid, this coriander seed water is so effective that it doesn't matter whether any study has been done on it or not. I myself have seen so many people stop thyroid medication just because of this drink. So if you or any of your family members has thyroid, drink this continuously for 2-3 months and then see the results. See, I have thyroid problem and also diabetes, but you have suggested both the drinks at the same time. Now what should I do? In that case, drink coriander seed water in the morning and drink bitter gourd bottle juice 2 hours after lunch. If you want to drink both in the morning, first drink coriander seed water, then after at least 30 minutes drink bitter bottle gourd juice. Then wait for 30-40 minutes and then have your breakfast. Actually, these drinks don't interfere with each other, meaning anyone can drink all 3 in one day if they want. So for diabetes, bitter gourd juice; for uric acid, lemon honey water; and for thyroid, coriander seed water. Very easy and very effective. Drink it yourself and do share this video with whosoever needs it. If you are troubled by body heat in summers, do watch this video. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.